Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how I transform these overdue grown out nails into these cool quirky marble effects nails. So if you like the look of them and you want to know how I created them, keep on watching. As you can see, my nails have definitely seen better days, but today's the day I transform them. Oh yeah, please ignore the shape, this is a result of quarantine. In order for me to remove my previous gel polish, I need a file, a cuticle pusher, but I prefer to use my scraper tool, lint-free wipes, tinfoil and acetone. With my file, I start off by scratching the surface of all my nails, and this allows acetone to break down the polish so it's easier to remove, especially when trying to scrape them. Once you scratch all 10 fingers, grab yourself a lint-free wipe, pour some acetone on it, place it on your finger and grab some tin foil. Once you've done that, just turn your finger around so you can see it better and fold in each side. And then if you fold it over the top, it seals it and makes it a bit tighter. And then repeat these to the rest of your nails. Hey Siri, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes and counting.
Once the 10 minutes is up, use your tool and scrape off as much gel polish as you can. With the stubborn ones, you can re-soak them. It should all come off eventually, so don't worry. Once I removed all my gel polish, I like to apply my Hansen cuticle remover all over my cuticles. If you've tried this product, you know how good it is. This product helps break down excess cuticle and hangnail within seconds. So whilst I'm waiting, I decided to cut my nails down, and if you know me, you know that I like them very short from time to time. Like very short. After cutting all my nails down, I quickly push back my cuticles before washing my hands. So with my cuticle cutter, I like to cut back, if not all my cuticles, for a cleaner result. I know that some people are not fond of this, but I think it looks cleaner and the results are definitely nicer. You can already see how cleaner my nails are starting to look. Then with a file, I'm just going to shape my nails. I like my nails to be as square as possible with rounded edges so it doesn't catch on to things, since my nails aren't in the greatest condition. Once I've filed all my fingers, I like to go with a buffer to smooth everything out, ready for my gel polish. I recently purchased this primer on Amazon. Let's hope it does the job by making my nails last a little bit longer. It was fairly cheap, so I decided to give it a whirl. First of all, I like to go with my D&D gel base and carefully apply a thin layer all over my nails and making sure I cap the edges. Although sometimes I forget, but this helps it last a little bit longer. Then with my Samoan Sand, I'm going to apply 2 thin coats all over my nails, but I'm going to fast forward this so that I can get to this side of it. These are the products I use for my blue marble effect design. I will list the colours and brushes in the description in case you also want to purchase them. Using all the colours, I like to place a small blob on tinfoil in no particular order. And then with a flat brush, I like to scoop it all just like that. Then carefully brush it onto your nails. It should look marbly, and if you don't like it, you can always wipe it and try again. I like to add some depth into it, so with some white and black gel polish, again, add a small blob onto a piece of tinfoil and with a nail art brush, quickly add some lines to the marble effect to make it slightly pop. To top it off, I decided to add some silver flakes to make it look slightly fancy and put together. I quite like the different textures because it looks quite quirky. To cap and lock everything in place, I applied my D&D top coat all over the nails to give it that protective finishing shine. And to end it all off, we can't forget the cuticle oil, the best thing ever. There we go, that's how I created my quirky, cool marble nails. I hope you like this video and please subscribe if you want more.